Welcome to the audio video instructions on how to assemble the Mitsy Kit felt basket. You should have two felt squares with the four corners folded in toward the center, clipped with a center plastic clip and a side plastic clip on each corner. You should also have four short ribbon strands, two long ribbon strands, a plastic needle, and some sticky back appliques. Notice on the four corners that are turned in on your square, there's a center plastic clip that you can remove. The plastic clip on the side should be bent in toward the fourth hole on the alternate side and poked through that fourth hole, forming a corner in your basket. So again, there are four holes on each side of your corner fold. Remove the plastic clip in the center, pull the plastic clip on the side up toward the other fourth hole in the alternate side and clip it through to form the corner. Do this on the four sides of your basket so that you can complete shaping your basket with the four corners using these plastic clips. If you need more time, you can pause this video and then come back once completed your four corners. After these four corners are pinned together, it should look like a basket. Next, take one of your short ribbons and lace it through your plastic needle. Remove the plastic clip from one of the corners and insert your needle and ribbon from the front of the basket through the hole that your clip was in, and go to the back and then over one hole, bringing your needle through to the front. Your two tails will be in the front, so you can tie a knot and a bow to secure the corner. Now you've completed a bow in one of your four corners. You're going to repeat this process for all four corners of your basket. Again, lacing your needle with a short ribbon, removing the plastic clip from the corner, inserting your needle into the two holes that your plastic clip was in, going front to back and pulling the ribbon through, moving over one hole from the corner and bringing your needle back to front so that both tails are in the front. Tie a knot and a bow to secure the corner. And now I'm going to speed up the video and repeat the process for the next two corners, showing you how this is done. Obviously, you're not going to be able to do it this quickly, so if you need to pause the video once we get through the section on tying the bows so that you can complete your four bows in your corners, do so and then return. Okay, once your four corners are tied with bows, you're going to lace your plastic needle with one of your long ribbons. And you're going to start lacing in a corner hole where your bow was already previously laced through, going from the front to the back of your basket. And then you're going to come up over the edge to do an overcast stitch. When you get to the corners, you'll be lacing through the same holes that your ribbon for your bows are in. Just move your bow over a little bit so you can slide your needle past it. Remember, it's important that you are going from front to back of your basket, over the edge, and back through to create this overcast stitch. Once you have completed the overcast stitch going front to back of your basket, bring your tail through to the middle of your basket and tie it with the adjacent tail on the inside of your basket in a knot. and you've completed your first set of overcast lacing. Now lace your second long ribbon through your plastic needle, and this time we're going to do the overcast stitch, but we're going to start from the back of the basket in a corner. So come through the corner hole from the back of the basket to the front, leaving about a 4-inch tail. Go up over the edge and back through the back of the basket through the next hole. And you'll see that what this does is create a nice crisscross decoration on the top of your basket. So continue going over the edge and back through the back of the basket to the front, doing your crisscross stitch for the next 4 sides. I'll speed up the process so you can watch how this is done. And again, you can pause this video so that you can complete this step for your projects, and then come back and watch the rest. So as we're watching the lacing of the video in the crisscross stitch, you'll notice that the ribbon, sometimes you need to pull on it a little bit because it is a long ribbon, and make sure that it's not getting caught on the corners. And you'll also want to make sure that when you are lacing through the corners, as I mentioned, you're going to be lacing beside the bows, and you just have to pull the bow over a little bit to get your needle through. Once you complete this second set of crisscross stitching across the top, you will bring your ribbon through to the center of your basket and tie the 2 adjacent tails together into a knot. And then you can trim off the tails that are on the interior of your basket so that they don't show. There, we have the beautiful crisscross stitch. Now to finish your basket, we're going to use these stick-on appliques and apply them on the sides to decorate. And that's it. Now you can use your basket to hold trinkets or napkins or whatever you wish. If you want to see other Mitsy Kit projects, please go to www.mitsykit.org. Happy crafting!